Here's my dilemma. Weird thing is, I mean, you got all this stuff here. This wire. I don't even know where that wire is. It goes to the, it's supposed to be for the, you know, when they show you the videos on, you know, you touch the, take this wire out of here and it connects over here, and then you pull one of these out and then you put it onto the battery terminal, and then that'll start the starter. Yeah, okay. I don't even have that. I got this laying here. I don't even know what this is. This is laying here. Who knows what this is? The weird thing, even this is, see how loose this is? It goes in. Oh shit! Fucking started on fire. Great. Did you see that? Yeah, the other one melted, so I had to get another one of those. So maybe that's just messed up inside there. I don't know. Also, this thing goes to nothing. It's just here on the right-hand side. It goes to nowhere. I mean, it's just, who knows what that's supposed to be for. Let's see what's in there. I don't even know. All right, yeah, there was another fire. Did you see that? That smoke, and it popped when I pulled that out. All right, thanks.